A festival on which we don't light the gas stove at all, yet we spend the whole day eating delicious homemade dishes. And that festival is today itself. That's why whatever food we need today, we prepare it one day in advance. Today is Sheetla Ashtami, and on this day we don't eat hot food, as it is believed that it protects us from illness. And on Sheetla Ashtami, we first offer the food to Sheetla Mata, and after that only we eat that food. Now you might be wondering that why do we actually do that? So there are some cultural and scientific reasons behind it, but mainly you just understand that we celebrate it to honor the cooling goddess Sheetla Mata, and around this time our body tends to have more heat as the season is changing. So that is why also we celebrate this festival. So hello everybody, by watching the intro of this video you must have understood that today it is a very special festival for all the Marwadis. Today we are celebrating Sheetla Ashtami, and that is why I woke up early and I finished all the household chores with my mother, and I have gotten ready also. So right now my mother is calling me that let's quickly come and let's perform the puja. So let me go first. So today is only the fourth day of my period, so I'm not allowed to touch the idols, but I can still go there and I can visit the temple. It's just that I can't directly touch the idols. So first we went to Sheetla Mata temple, which is in our village itself. So we offered prayers and food there. After that we came back home and we placed a few stones as the idol of Sheetla Mata, and my grandmother actually she insisted for this because she wanted to perform this puja. Actually her condition doesn't allow her to go out. YouTube पर जाओ ना, पूरा YouTube में famous होला. So we arranged a small setup at home itself just for her. So she performed puja there, and along with her, my mother and my aunt also. I understand, guys, like if you're not from Rajasthan, if you're not from Marwari community, understanding these kind of rituals and festivals, it seems to you weird or strange. I also run out of words when it comes to describing such things, but I deeply feel connected with my festivals and rituals. I really love them. And the next thing, I did not share it with anybody, but today I want to share it here. See, I don't want to get married with a person who is out of my religion. Oh my god, what if that person does not understand my religion and the kind of excitement I get for my festivals? How would I explain all these things to him? What if he doesn't understand? And what if he doesn't value my excitement? What if that time that person takes all these things just in a joke? My god, I am done then. I have a genuine liking for my festivals. How would I explain these things to somebody, like the excitement of Tej festival, the excitement of Gangor festival? Gangor festival, where we all the girls get together, we worship their Gangor and we pray for good relationships in our future, in our present. I can't compromise on such things. So by the time we finished all this, it was already 11 o'clock. And after that, I had to take my classes. And once I finished taking 3 hours of continuous classes, I worked on editing part also, and I recorded some voiceovers. So by the time I was doing editing, I saw that I have filmed some cooking videos also. So now I'm thinking that why not to add those clips also, and let me teach you English related to those cooking videos, and along with that you will have knowledge about my cultural food also. So let's see that. Sangri sabji. Sangri comes from khejri tree, a desert tree which is found only in Rajasthan. First we take sangri, then we soak it into the water for some time. After that we boil the sangri for a few minutes. Then we start adding spices in it: turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, and 2 whole red chili. We mix everything well. Meanwhile, we grind the garlic in a mortar. We heat some oil in a pan. When the oil becomes hot, we add cumin and bay leaf. Then we add the crushed garlic, fry it for a few seconds. Then we add sangri in this. We cook it for a few minutes, then add a little water, keep it for some minutes, and finally, our Rajasthani Sangri Sabji is ready. Now we are going to make these cute, tasty, sweet papad. First we take some jaggery and break it into some small pieces. We put it into water so that jaggery can dissolve and turns into jaggery water. After that we take wheat flour and add chrome seeds in it. We add a good amount of ghee. We mix everything well with hand, so we also make sure that there are no lumps in the mixture. Next, we slowly add the jaggery water that we prepared earlier. We add it carefully and little by little so that the dough does not become too wet. We make a soft dough. After that, we take a small piece of dough. We make a small round shape. We also make some small holes in it with a fork. Now we heat oil in a pan. When the oil becomes hot, we put the papdi one by one in the oil. The papdi becomes golden and crispy, and now our sweet jaggery papdi is ready. By the evening, my body felt like it has a frozen totally because I couldn't get time in the morning for exercise and all. So now I thought like let's play at least badminton. It will really help me to move my body. After playing badminton, I thought like we have very small garden also. So I thought let me introduce what kind of plants currently like we are growing here. And honestly speaking, I really don't know what do we call these plants because I have zero knowledge when it comes to gardening and all. But we have superwoman here. She knows each and everything. I think, but in Hindi names, she knows about this. So she will tell me in Hindi language, and I'm going to translate it in English. So tell me, what is this? पालक. बैठ जाना नीचे आराम से. ये माइक लगाई है तो फिर बोलना पड़ेगा. She said like I also want to use it. So if you are using it, so you have to speak also in that. Okay? हिंदी में ही बोल सकती है, but तू बोल सकती है. Okay? Okay. So ये तो कचरा है. ये कचरा नहीं है, ये पालक है. I thought this is unnecessary grass, but she is saying that this is spinach actually. Then what is this? ये इसका बीज है, बीज. Beej means seeds. I think this is unnecessary grass, isn't it? Unnecessary है ना? हाँ. This is very like spinach we use very small one, but I think this is not eatable. ये मतलब खाने वाला नहीं है, तो इस पे बीज आने वाले हैं अब. Okay, so we are growing it just for seeds, so that we can store it. एक चीज जो मुझे पता है यहाँ पे, one thing which I can recognize, that is that one. I think that is mango. Okay. So sees mango. Sees नहीं होता है. Oh. This is mango. This is mango. This is mango tree. Mango को तो sees mango बोल रही है, अपना चेहरा दिखा. भाई साहब, मैंने भी इंग्लिश सीखी लेकिन मैंने ऐसी वाली गलती कभी नहीं की. Like she is mango. Sees मतलब क्या होता है? Okay, let me explain. These things are non-living things. Okay, just plants. Plants के लिए हम it बोलेंगे या फिर this or that. That is long, that is very small, this is, that is. Okay, ऐसे बोलेंगे. और जो humans होते हैं ना, उनके लिए हम बोलते हैं he or she. Okay, now did you get it? Alright. Okay, so अभी ये क्या है? She है या he है या फिर this है? This. How to say that? This is mango. This is mango tree. Okay, so these are the onion leaves. We every day use these leaves actually. We like to add these leaves in our daily vegetable, whatever we cook. Papaya plant, I think. Yeah, this is papaya. Isn't it? I think papayas are already growing here. And my mother has covered it properly. Oh my god, this is a small papaya. Please, Poonam, cover it again. देख यहाँ पे इसका फूल आ गया है. Okay. So first, okay. Papaya plant में पहले फूल आता है, फिर आता है ये. Okay, so first flower comes and then it turns into the fruit. The way it was covered, again it covered it properly. Covered है, देख सकते. देख और निकलने लगे. So ऐसे बोल कि I have covered it. I have covered it. Already? Already. What is this? मुझे नहीं पता इसके बारे में. And I really don't know. इसमें फल आएगा, फल. Fruits are going to come on it. हाँ. I really don't know. And my sister is also telling me the name which I don't know even in Hindi. What is this? Sahasut. I really don't know what is Sahasut. I'm first time hearing it. Don't climb it. Huh? It's not fur, it's just, I think, seed. Now my sister is saying that this is what? Potato plant. Okay. And what are you doing now? Okay, so we find potatoes in that. Oh my god, this is very small one. And she is right now, she is digging the soil. Don't do it, dear. Mama is going to kill us, okay? These potatoes are very small. Whenever we sisters are together, we have fun a lot. Like all the time, we are laughing. We do not need any reason for laughing at all. So, if you also want to laugh with us, so please follow this channel. I enjoyed shooting this video a lot. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Now, what are the things on my plate? It's like just end of the day right now. I have spouts. I don't know, like, yeah, you are able to say this. I am going to eat this, and I have some evening classes. I will take those classes, and after that, again, I have some of the work. My to do list is always full, always. All right, so that's it about our today's video. We will meet tomorrow again with amazing video. Till then, bye and take care.